So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Face ID issues after iOS 18.2.1 update. So many users complained that Face ID was not working on their iPhone after the recent update. In case if you are also facing this problem, then all you have to do is reset Face ID. So let's see how you can do this. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode. Now here scroll down. Now here tap on Reset Face ID. To disable Face ID, I will have to turn off Stolen Device Protection. Tap on OK. Now scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. Now turn off this toggle. After this, go back and now tap on Reset Face ID. And this will turn off Face ID. After this, restart your iPhone. For this, press and hold this power button and this volume up button. Now slide it. This will turn off your iPhone. Now press and hold this power button to turn on your iPhone. Now unlock your iPhone. After this, launch the settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode. Now tap on Setup Face ID. After this, tap on Get Started and set up the Face ID. Now as you can see, Face ID is set up on my iPhone. So this is how I can fix Face ID issue after iOS 18.2.1 update. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.